Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on REALME Narzo 50 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down to find additional settings, and here it is, gestures and motions. Now first option is screen of gestures, which I covered in all lock screen gestures and motions. You can check it out if you like. I'm not going to cover this tab in this video. Let's go for the first page right here, and first thing is swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. It works like this, and then you make a screenshot. Touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a partial screenshot. If you do it like that, then you'll be able to select the portion of the screen that you want to take a screenshot of. Now moving on to the motions, we have rise to wake, and now if you lock your phone and pick it up, it should wake up without any button press. If you put it down, it should lock automatically. And next thing is lift to ear to answer calls, and auto switch to receiver to also answer calls. So the first option, if you get a call and then lift your phone to your ear, it will answer the call automatically. If you're using receiver, it will answer all calls automatically. If you don't want it, simply disable this setting. Last is flip to mute all incoming calls. If you lock your phone, put it upside down just like that. It will mute all incoming calls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.